Bueno, sí.
Hello everybody, this is Gamaliel, broker realtor with Sturgis Realty Group.
And I'm Alan Rios. I'm the realtor with Sturgis Realty Group right here in Metro Atlanta. And today, folks, we have a great video for you. We've got senior mortgage consultant Norm Corcoran with Renaissance Bank. Welcome, Norm.
Welcome,
Thank you.
Norm.
Thank you. Appreciate you having me.
Oh, we're glad to have you here with us.
And I'm very excited because Norman is bringing an excellent program for those buyers who have been waiting around, and especially if you've been looking to buy a home and down payment is holding you back because you don't have that money today. We're bringing a great solution for you.
Yeah, and one of these programs is known as the Community Home Buyer Program. And let me get this straight, Norm. This program provides 100% financing?
Exactly. No down payment, no mortgage insurance. There's even a grant available at up to 3% of the purchase price for covered closing costs, prepaids, and escrows.
Wow.
So it's an excellent program. Renaissance really goes the extra mile to make sure that products and programs are available to clients to help more people get into homes.
Fantastic.
That's great. So this particular program, if you wanted to buy a home, let's say that is $300,000. I mean, normally with a conventional loan, you typically have to put 3% down, which is normally around $9,000 you have to bring out of your pocket.
Correct.
In this particular program, because there's 100% financing, zero down payment, you bring zero out of your pocket, so you're saving closer to $9,000 if you're not had to come in with that down payment of 3%.
Correct. Not to mention the no mortgage insurance.
Wow.
And the grant, which covers closing costs, prepaids, and escrows.
Yeah.
Wow. So obviously, you could, I've seen it in the past where you could almost buy a home with, down to, as little of $1,000, $1,500, $2,000 if you could also get contribution from sellers to bring also.
Correct, yeah. And with this program, borrowers qualify for more because there's less of a payment.
Okay.
So they're able to buy a little bigger home if they need to.
Exactly.
Excellent.
So for that potential buyer out there that's watching this video, what kind of credit score would they need to qualify for this program?
Minimum credit score is 640, up to a $300,000 purchase price.
Okay.
In excess of $300,000, the credit score minimum is 660.
Got it. Okay.
That's very important, obviously. So obviously, and that's actually a score that is pretty low compared to, when you look at other programs, there's an opportunity for a lot of people to qualify based on this score. But in case that you can't fit into this program, I understand you have a lot of other programs available also.
We have all the traditional programs, FHA, VA, conventional, USDA, and with credit scores requirements of as little as 600, I'm sorry.
That's good.
Fantastic.
That's great.
Yeah.
So obviously, if you're someone who's been struggling a little bit with the credit and your credit score is on the low side, there's also this other particular programs that you may be able to fit them also, or obviously also guide them a little, give them some guidance on how they could improve a little bit to get into these loans.
So Norm, you've got some great incentives, great programs out there, obviously, from what you've explained. Tell us what separates you from other loan officers.
Sad to say, but I care about my clients, and that makes a huge difference with the clients. I make myself accessible to them, so when they feel a little nervous about buying a home, which very often happens on the first home.
It is.
Especially first-time home buyers, yeah?
Yeah, I'm available to them so I can answer their questions, hold their hands through the process.
It's important.
That makes them feel a little more confident.
Yeah.
I actually get a lot of satisfaction out of doing this. I have a real passion for doing it. It's very satisfying to get someone at home when they've in the past thought maybe they couldn't buy. And if I provide a pre-approval, pre-qualification letter, it's something you can count on.
That's great. That's really important.
Yeah, it's very important because I've seen circumstances where buyers are ready to close, they're sitting at the table, and then they get a notice from the lender that they can't close on the loan, unfortunately.
Right.
And obviously that's why it's so important. I always tell my buyer that you're working with an experienced loan officer like Norm, who's able to take a look at your loan, at your situation from the beginning, and give you that pre-qualification that counts and can take you all the way to closing.
Norm, thank you so much for all that great information that you're providing us today for those buyers that are watching us out there right now. And if you're thinking about buying, please reach out to the Sturgis Realty Group. We'll help answer any questions you may have. If you have a comment, leave that below the video. And don't forget to give us a call if you're looking to buy a particular home down the road.
And whether
Great people to
you're
work with.
Thank
you so much, Norm.
Thank you, Norman. Then again, if whether you're local in the area or outside, we love to work with buyers and help them out. And obviously, not only find you your dream home, but also make sure that you also get a good loan program that's going to fit with your needs and wants.
And don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We've got a wide variety of real estate topics and also some metro cities around Atlanta. Thank you for watching.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Yeah. They care about their clients too.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Bueno, sí.